All right, so today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to use the voice typing tool when it comes to writing your book with ease without doing any writing at. All right, so today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to use the voice typing tool when it comes to writing your book with ease without doing any writing at all. So, my name is Sharlrita Deloatch. I am a professional publisher. My company is BWE Publishing and Consultant, where we primarily work with women's service providers, helping women to amplify who they already are, amplifying their content that they have, and creating published content, published books and journals and workbooks. Okay, so I wanted to do this quick video about the tool when it comes to writing your book and how you can use this voice typing tool to do this with ease. Before I get into today's content, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are so inclined to hit the bell below, so every time that I post a new video, you will be notified. So I am not showing my face today, but it's all good. I want to really focus on this tutorial. I'm going to use one of my book templates that I have. I actually have a masterclass. By the time you see this video, the masterclass probably will already happen, but you can register for the next one. It's how to write, publish, and market your book like a pro. So I host this masterclass every month. So the one for July, which is happening July 6th, it probably already happened by the time you view this recording. If not, go on to the link in my descriptions and you can get access to the next class. This is one of the templates that I am giving the women that are part of this masterclass, and the template is called the storytelling template. Okay, so this is if you want to share your story, this is a quick way for you to use a template so you'll know what to write. All right, so first things first, what I want to do is we're going to talk about the chapter one. So overall, which is very much the overview story, the main point of the book, summarized in main points. So I'm just going to show you guys how to use this. I'm going to name this as book example. Well, let's name this as storytelling example. All right, so let's go to tool and go to voice typing. So this book is going to be about, okay, so let me, hold on. I need to click over here. So you need to click over here to speak. My book is going to be about how I was able to go from, okay, I don't think that it's doing that. Let's see. Maybe because I'm on a video. Let's see. It may not do it, guys, while I'm on because sorry, didn't hear that. Check the microphone. Let's check my microphone. Well, my microphone is on because you guys are able to hear me, right? See, this is what happens. Let's try. Again, I want to chat about, let's see. I want to chat about, so it's supposed to go while you are typing. And it may be because I'm already recording, but my microphone is on. Well, let's make sure because it's on. So my microphone is on. So we got that. And it may be because I am recording, but you see the gist, okay? So when you come over here to Google Docs, you want to make sure that you have a Gmail account, okay? You must have a Gmail account. Once you have created your Gmail account, if you already have a Gmail account, then you will go right over here. You see that I have several Gmail accounts. So once you go to Gmail, so I'm going to do that step by step with you guys. So you're going to go to Gmail, and then you're going to go over here where these little dots are at, and you're going to go to the drive. Okay. That's going to bring you to your Google Drive. I have several folders here. So you just go to your folder, or you can just hit new and hit Google Docs. Okay, that's going to bring you up a new Google Doc. Once you bring that up, then you're going to hit tools and you're going to hit voice typing. Okay, there's also another way for you to do this by clicking Control Shift and S, and that's going to allow you to start talking. Every word that you say is going to go here. Now, my advice is when you are speaking, don't try to edit or try to sound politically correct. The point of you writing your book, you want the book to sound like you, right? So I want you to write, I want you to talk just like you would write, okay? Just talk like your normal self. Don't try to convey to be someone else. Once you talk it, then once after this done, you're gonna hand it over to a editor, someone that can do the developmental editing. Okay, I'm gonna do another video going over the different types of editing, but developmental editing is what you're going to need, because you need someone to not only formalize this book, but you need someone that's going to enhance what you have. You can also, most ghostwriters as well are great with the developmental editing as well. I know my writers are on my team. When they ghostwrite for our clients, they also are great with the editing, developmental editing, and to make sure that it sounds right. And this is also called line substantial editing. So they do the same thing. Okay, just in case you didn't know anything about editing. So I want you to try out this doc using Google Docs to get your book done quickly. My goal is to make sure that you have some tools and resources to help you with writing, publishing, and marketing your book. So I hope that this helped you. Okay. So again, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll let you know as you hit that dingly bell every time I upload a video. You will be the first to know. All right. So thank you guys so much for joining this quick tutorial. Hope you have a fantastic one. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.